In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust letter spacing in Canva. If you want your text to look cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read, changing the letter spacing can make a big difference. This is especially useful when a title feels too cramped, or when a design needs a little more breathing room to look polished and professional. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text that you want to edit. Make sure you click directly on the text box so Canva knows exactly which text element you want to change. If nothing seems to happen at first, just check that the text box is active and highlighted before moving on. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Advanced Settings. This is the option with the letter T icon and a small arrow beneath it. When you open this area, you'll see extra controls that affect the appearance of your text beyond the basic font and size settings. This is where you can fine-tune the look of your typography and make more precise adjustments. Once you're in Advanced Settings, find the letter spacing slider. This control changes the amount of space between each letter in your selected text. It's a small adjustment, but it can have a surprisingly strong impact on how your design feels overall. Now drag the slider left or right to adjust the space between the letters. Moving it one direction will bring the letters closer together, while moving it the other way will spread them farther apart. As you make changes, keep an eye on the text in your design so you can see the effect in real time. It's usually best to make small adjustments instead of large ones, because even subtle spacing changes can improve the look of your text without making it feel unnatural. As you finish, choose a spacing that keeps your text clean and easy to read. That's the most important part. A stylish design is great, but readability should always come first. If the letters are too tight, the text can feel crowded. If they're too far apart, it can become harder to read smoothly. Aim for a setting that looks balanced and fits the style of your design. And that's it. With just a quick adjustment to letter spacing, you can give your Canva text a more refined and professional appearance.